Welcome to Dasuhanglish. Let's learn English together. We will learn phrasal verbs. Let's get started. Break down. Break down means to stop working or functioning properly. For example, my car broke down on the way to work. Next, carry out. Carry out means to perform or complete a task or action. And as an example, we need to carry out the experiment to gather data. Now it's your turn. Look forward to. Look forward to means to feel excited or eager about something that is going to happen. Example, I'm looking forward to our vacation next month. Next phrasal verb. Run out of. Run out of means to use all of something and have none left. And for example, we ran out of milk, so I need to buy more. Take of. Take of means to remove or remove oneself quickly. And as an example, she took off her jacket because it was too warm. Next, figure out, which means to understand or solve a problem or mystery. And for example, I need some time to figure out how to fix this technical issue. Hang out. Hang out means to spend time together in a casual or relaxed manner. Example, we used to hang out at the local coffee shop after school. Next, make up. Make up means to reconcile or resolve a disagreement. Example, they had a fight yesterday, but they made up and apologized to each other. Take on. Take on means to accept or undertake a responsibility or challenge. Example, she decided to take on the role of project manager for the new initiative. Look after. Look after means to take care of or be responsible for someone or something. And for example, can you look after my dog while I'm away on vacation? Next, turn up, which means to arrive or appear unexpectedly. And as an example, he didn't show up for the meeting, but his assistant turned up instead. The next phrasal verb is back up. Back up means to provide support or assistance. And for example, my colleagues backed me up during the presentation. You can make your own example sentences as practice. Carry on. Carry on means to continue doing something. Example, despite the difficulties, they decided to carry on with their project. Next phrasal verb, fall apart. Fall apart means to disintegrate or break into pieces. And for example, the old book fell apart when I opened it. Next, give out. Give out means to distribute or hand out something. Example, they gave out brochures at the conference. Cut off. Cut off, which means to disconnect or stop the supply of something. And as an example, the power was cut off due to a maintenance issue. Get by. get by, which means to manage or cope with a situation, often with limited resources. And as an example, despite financial difficulties, they manage to get by. Look up to. Look up to means to admire or respect someone. And as an example, I've always looked up to my older sister for her achievements. Come across. Come across means to find or encounter by chance. And for example, I came across an interesting article while browsing the internet. And the last phrasal verb that we will learn is settle down. Settle down means to establish a stable and calm life or routine. And for example, after years of traveling, she decided to settle down in a small town. You can make your own example. Thank you for watching this video. If you like videos like this, please subscribe, like, comment and share. See you in the next video.